Fucking... I don't know what I'm doing here, Penny. Penny, as senior project manager, can you tell me what I'm doing wrong? Because the 295 was doing something. I can't get the driver to register in a 480. Penny, I don't know what to do here. And you're out of ideas too? Do not disable this option unless you encounter a specific problem with your expansion card. So that's worth trying. SRIOV. Single overview visualization. The single interface extension to PCI Express specification allows a device such as a network adapter to separate access its resources among various PCIe hardware functions. These functions include the following type. Well, that's a potential disable, I guess.
When enabled, Processor X2 APIC support helps operating systems run more efficiently on high core count configurations and optimizes interrupt distribution in virtualized environments. Enabled mode does not enable X2 APIC hardware, but provides the support necessary to the operating system.
About to figure out what that is.
All I did was move the card from here to slot 9, which is like the card you're supposed to fucking... The driver works even less. It no longer is identified. Guess I might as well just keep changing BIOS settings and hope one of them makes me happy. Hey, look at that. A single side of the graphics card works. Ha ha! And it's probably not the side I'm running my display on. Oh, Penny, did making noise make you have to sit in my lap? Okay, so we're gonna go into system configuration, blah, 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 and then we're gonna go to advanced video options. We're gonna allow embedded, so I can no longer deal with the graphics card and have it go on here, and I'll just see if the drivers work there. I think this is probably going to break my ability to boot, but we're just gonna try it as no. I need to get an intelligent. No. I'm only changing one setting at a time. So, save. That still is amusing to shut off a PC behind me by doing shit in front of me. And I can remotely mount ISOs to it, which is pretty nice. And, you know, hey, if it crashes, I just click press and hold, and it'll hold the power button down until it shuts off for me. And check it out, cold boot. Cold boot does a pretty cool thing. Here, I'll do cold boot right now. It's like a full proper power cycle deal. This is how I pass the time.
A large amount of money.
Okay, let's see. System configure. Fuck you. System configuration. BIOS. Boot options. Optimized boot enabled. That should fix my graphics bullshit and probably break server 2008. Let's do this. Thorough diagnostic time. Alright, so let's see what all we failed. Hard drive controller background test. Looks like only that, and I had it do the test 3 times, so... Interesting. Did we actually pass the PCI Express bullshit? Wait, what about a pattern test? What the fuck do you mean there's no primary graphics? Look here, you son of a bitch, you better cooperate. What the fuck? My BIOS update comes with a fucking wallpaper? I accept, and I'm not going to read. Yes, show me my health points. I hope this fixes shit. Alright, we got all kinds of goodies to upgrade, it would turn out. Oh, these are downgrades, actually. Fuck it. I want all of it. I want all of it. Something's not working right. I want all of it. Deploy. I'm trying to watch my show! Boy, that made a fucking ruckus. You cool? You gonna settle the fuck down?
Oh, she's on her way to your room right now.
She nice and quiet now. Fuck, that's quieter than it's been. Damn, that's quiet. I'm only pulling full amps, 4 amps of current, too. Okay. These are terms I can agree. What the fuck is going on here? Everything says success. I would like to hear you rev the fuck back down. Don't you stop. Alright, we're getting into acceptable territories now. Gotta say, don't like this BIOS version. Kind of loud, don't you think, Penny? No. Well, let's see if we... Damn it, it's still fucking broken. Not a good sign. Everything is just as broken as I remembered. Great.
See you now, you goddamn son of a bitch.
Well, I finally have a firmware update that's a bit more recent. I ended up having to take an executable, pulling it apart, then uploading the bin file, ROM file, whatever the fuck it was. I uploaded it straight through ILO. And, there we go, there's all my options. Hopefully this thing doesn't scream as much once it gets past that certain part of boot. So ILO is up to date, but my BIOS sure isn't. 2016? I don't know where the hell I'm going with this. So I ended up swapping back to the old ROM, because when you update it makes a backup, and I got my quiet ROM back on. Everything's just as broken as before, except if I disabled, what was it, like enhanced UEFI mode or something like that? I could boot UEFI and have still not working graphics. So yeah, I can no longer boot in a Server 2008 with a graphics card present. No configuration that was working before is working now. So, and I've been going at this for like 3 fucking weeks. I'm probably going to be cramming lots of videos here shortly, but I'm only recording a few clips a day. And I'm so much time. You know, this thing takes like 15 minutes to reboot, and if I need to do something in the operating system, going from shutdown to in my OS to back to whatever is probably like 25 minutes, even just for a minor thing. This has been taking so much time, and I wish I could just get a fucking GPU. I've never had a GPU be so difficult to get working in a system.